£100 or more in 1 hour or less? Let's see, shall we? Hey, what is up guys? My name is John. Thank you all very much for tuning in, and today I am going to be sourcing products for Amazon FBA using online arbitrage, and of course my favourite way to do this would be using Facebook. My goal today is to try and achieve £100 worth of product profit in 1 hour or less. So I'm just going to switch straight over to Facebook and let's see if we can get this done. Okay, so this is me now on Facebook. Now I am not using Keepa, I am now using Helium 10, which works pretty much the exact same as Keepa. If not, it could be a little bit better than Keepa. It gives you the product sales, the sales history, which is obviously the most important part. So I'm using that now, and also this is why the backdrop's different, because for some reason I cannot get it to work on my main computer, but it works perfect on the laptop, so I'm recording on the laptop. But anyway, back to the video. So I'm on Facebook, and as I always say, I'm not looking for anything in particular, I am solely looking for profit. Now this can be in any category, any niche, any item. You just have to check the difference between how it sells on Amazon and what you can buy it for on Facebook. This could of course be done pretty much anywhere in the world that allows you to sell on the FBA platform, and also has a Facebook marketplace. There is other ways to do this. Within the UK you can use Gumtree, you can also use Spock, something like that, and also any kind of local ad. For online arbitrage in the US you have Craigslist, so that is pretty much the equivalent to our version of Gumtree. But anyway, we'll just jump straight in and see what we can find. Okay, so this has caught my eye. It is the Samsung Gear VR. I'm going to quickly check the listing and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I just checked the listing there, and it is brand new in the box and still sealed. It's a 2017 model and comes with the motion controller. So I'm just going to quickly check that out on Amazon and see what we can get on Amazon. Okay, so on Amazon it sells for £108.95, and it has got 156 customer reviews, and it is also the Amazon choice, so this would be a pretty good seller. So I'm just going to go and check the sales history of this. Okay, so Helium isn't actually giving me the BSR sales history of this. I'm not 100% sure why. I'm not sure if it's an issue with the actual plugin itself, but not to panic. We can just check the BSR itself and go old school. So I'm going to go down and check the BSR, and you can see it is number 7 virtual reality mobile phone headsets. So this is a very, very, very low BSR, which the assumption would be that this would sell pretty quick. Something else that comes with Helium is this right here, which is the revenue calculator. This is a very useful little tool underneath the BSR, and this just gives you a quick look at the estimated revenue that you'd be looking at. So the sales price for FBA would be £108.95. It says dollars, but it doesn't really make a difference. So we're just going to put in the price, the purchase price for this, which would be £35. Enter, and there is your net profit right there. It is £58.71. Now I can imagine this would likely just be an estimate, but it'd be a good estimate. The fees are about £15.24. This is probably excluding shipping, but that's totally fine. That is a great profit right there, an amazing little find. So we're off to a really good start straight away. I'm over halfway already in one item. It just shows you how easily this could be done. So I'm just going to go back and see what else we can find. Something else that's caught my eye is this right here. It is the Amazon Kindle 4th generation. Now, I don't think you can sell that on Amazon, or at least I know that I can. I don't know if it's just something that I'm gated from, or just because it's an Amazon product and you're not allowed to resell it on their website. I don't know. But at a price at £16, that could sell pretty well on eBay perhaps. So I'm just going to quickly check that out on eBay. Okay, so I've actually found this exact one on eBay, and it also has the light up case that comes with the one in that Facebook listing, and it is sold on eBay for £44.99, so £45 with a £5.50 standard delivery. So that is a really good investment for eBay. when you're doing your research on eBay, always make sure to check these sold listings. I'm not going to include this in the video because this is for FBA, but it's just an example that using both of them can really command much more profit. But I'll go back because we're still looking for FBA products. Okay, so there's another one here that has caught my eye, is the Canon PowerShot SX610HS. Cameras can go for a great price on Amazon, even in used condition. It is selling for £70, so I'm going to quickly check this listing right now. Okay, so I just checked the listing there and it is £70 in perfect condition, ONO. ONO means on nearest offer. So I could probably knock about £10 off of this and get it for 60. So I'm just going to check on Amazon and see how this sells on Amazon in used but good condition. Okay, so I'm now on the listing for the SX610HS. It's actually a 20 megapixel camera, or 20.2, and this is it right here. Again, it is an Amazon choice and it's got 183 customer reviews. Selling brand new on Prime is for £208.99. I'm just going to go down and check the sales history if we can get one. Okay, so the sales history looks pretty good. Remember, every dip is a sale. I'll refine it 7 days and see how many sales you can get within a week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 dips, so 9 times in a week this sells. So I'm just going to quickly check the used listings and see if there's any Prime. Okay, so right here we have two free Prime ones and they are £130 plus. So this is like new and one very good. So I'd probably just match the price at £130. So I'm going to go back and we will check and see how much profit we can gain from this if I buy it at £60. So I just come back to the listing and use the Helium 10 tool and just change the price here, so 129.99, and then we will put in £60. And again, there's your net profit. You've got a net profit of £58.72. Now I know this says dollars, but it is pounds. That's amazing. That is really substantial. That is a really good profit right there. This is estimated, so it won't be exact. It may be a little bit less. However, it will roughly be round about that mark. And with those two items alone, I believe I've already made my target. I have been online for a total of 33 minutes. So yeah, I totally blew that out of the water. And this is just to show people that this indeed can be a very easy process. If you're just starting out in FBA or you're not 100% sure how to do FBA, this can be one of the best ways to get your foot in the door. So I'll just switch back now. Yeah guys, so the truth is, this couldn't be easier in this day and age. Making money using FBA and online arbitrage is such an amazing way to make money online. It is one of the easiest and probably the quickest and most profitable ways that I've found if you're new to it. Now of course, once you start being able to fund a proper business on FBA, you can start looking into things like wholesale, private labeling, etc. And that's when it becomes so much bigger. But to get your feet in the door, this is probably the best way to start out. It is so profitable. So stop waiting guys and just get into it now. But anyway guys, that more or less concludes my video today, and thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're interested in watching any more, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. That way you will not miss a thing. And as always guys, take care. Thank you all very much for watching. I will see you all later. Goodbye.